Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Mr. Sizok Chola.
I want tracks.
Cox.
Tivo?
Yeah.
Come on, John.
I'm done.
I'm done. Visela Machita.
Yeah.
Cameraman.
Yes.
Hola. Tivo, good game from both teams.
Yes.
They showed us good see both teams their quality.
Yeah.
Kulman Santana in the Pirates. It was a battle between Cardoso no what.
Yeah.
Today.
Yeah.
Kulman too because of I'm looking at first half. Yeah, the game. Brilliant from Sundowns. They didn't allow the ball. But making sure to keep the ball inside the level.
Yes.
But what they did, or what I didn't like, it was a negative football. They were passing too backwards.
Yeah.
Dancing, no, they played a big role.
Yes.
Now Coach Joadu, tactically, one be Sundown like meeting, you know. Ujeli dancing, no, as long as Mama killer. Making sure because Alain they will consider a mistake. Without Muko in Bakawati, I don't like Moktiga Mukoina. Coming second half, we Pirates, we played very well, Stivo. I'm a sub with just not dealer now. Utito, even though I felt like Nyana and Nani will Pagamise, but we played very well, Stivo. Mufana dancing good goal. Mumila Siben a match chance summoning, Stivo. I think we'll score 4-5 from a goal. But Leaga say good quality, Mvana Osema. Leaga say, for me, if no more passum rim. Ali mugi offside still.
Mugi off.
Ali mina for mina even as mugi offside the figures of rim.
Oh.
That's why we decided to go to shoot. You understand?
Okay.
But unfortunately, I feel like mugmila villani putiga ngani open the cox like a pusher yana ngani. Fananga shy shot. Tanga vula goalkeeper la ba. Shy penny kanyana cheka cheaper ngeni. But otherwise tibu mfuna kusho tibu ngani ngwadu. Tivo uwaduna lenye technical mentality Tivo. Lana City adlale bumbuli ngilaba sacrifice akona, you know. If we check Pirates every time ngoba idlala ne Sundown.
Sure.
Okay, we can play and we plan big.
Yes.
We plan big. Se plana.
Sure.
I feel like se plana more than Sundown.
Yes.
Because of Bona, they always think okay, Kuzumbule, Utito, and every time when we play against Sundowns, we have a surpriser.
Sure.
When they don't do their homework, because of Bona, we don't go to Kishapu, so you bamba Pirates like center. But then Tina Miss not the center, Tina Fanda.
Yeah.
Miss Dalangama wingers.
Yeah.
Skillful wingers also.
Yes.
Check who what they did. Check on Ulvito. Quality, Steve, quality. Dancing in Pinjam. That guy is something else. Usiema na Mbogazi didn't play much today. Usiema was protecting him. Because Mbogazi ngabadlane Sundowns arrogant.
Yeah.
What I've seen. Utanda gulu, utanda kuskoma vele fight. But Usiema protect a little bit. Look at the Oshali Pume Kona Trisha Gorili. Na le Trisha bati penalty. I don't think na penalty Sundown. Shali le lapu uzangazinya match. So uzangazinya in North Africa match. But good game to both teams still. Credits to both coaches. They showed very good. These two teams are the biggest teams in Africa still. So Ngiva still usema still
Thank you, member. Thank you, member.